Hey guys, we're doing the multiplayer cards. Random is live. It's 3:31, 50 PM Melbourne time. The Rudy and the Lowry. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 Raptors. Mavs, Bucks, Pelicans, and Bulls. 4. 1, 2, 3, and Pelicans. 3:32, 36 PM Melbourne time. Oops. .36. Seven times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pistons. 3:33, 12 PM Melbourne time. Random complete.